Edo State Government, in collaboration with Edo State Ministry of Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development (MPPHURD), don't join body with the rest of the world to celebrate 2023 World Habitat Day with the theme Resilient Urban Economic Cities as Drivers of Growth and Recovery. Edo State Commissioner for Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development Isoke Omo come join body with other ministries for Edo State come carry waka enter street for Benin City to educate Edo people on how dem go care for the place dem dey stay around their businesses by cleaning and maintaining it so e go dey useful for them.
Today we celebrate World Habitat Day. Today na World Habitat Day. We go come tell you now, say the way we dey do our environment. We don't go see continue like this, so if we continue like this, things will spoil. So everybody needs to know your responsibility. Ring roads that they hear me, I beg we need to do something about our environment. We need to make sure that we dey pack our dirty. We need to make sure that we dey be for the right place. We need to make sure that we no dey cover the moat. We no dey build under high tension. We no dey do any yama thing. We no dey take school land. We no dey take government land. Everywhere where they say they put something, they believe make it dey there. Hospital supposed to dey where hospital dey. Not be for you to go build your house for there. Everything what they do, they affect our environment. If we don't start to change, things go spoil. We take up Eguna. We take up Eguna. Now only Edo we get. Benin is the only city where we get. We take up Eguna. My sisters and brothers say, go tell you now, what everybody need to do as a responsibility. And we know that's our own benefit that we do this thing. This not be politics, so this is not true talk. We cannot see as the rain fall this year. So not be joke. And the weather will worse. So if we're not what we're supposed to do, none of us will suffer.
For the waka, dem start from Secretariat wey dey Sapele Road, come carry waka go Ring Road, Siloko, Ekewan and Airport Road before they can finally end the waka for Government House.
Local government are going to become carrier. Carry our work. People are not looking for power line. People are not looking for road. People are not looking for people are not built. So we are not supposed to build.
For Government House, Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki come salute give the people wey follow for this waka and come tell them say make them play their own part to keep Edo State clean as government need everybody to join body help government to maintain the city.
First, I want to congratulate all of you who have been able to complete the 8.5-kilometer walk.
Yes, sir.
Is it true? Yes. Everybody here completed the walk? Yes. Some people sweating and others are not sweating. Anyway, congratulations. I guess the significance of the walk today is to let people know that our habitat is all we have. Our habitat and the environment are very, very important to us. It's resilient. That is, we must make our habitat and the environment sustainable for us and our future. You all have seen what is going on, particularly with climate change. There's no other greater evidence to show or let us know that we just can't take things for granted. We can't take our environment and our habitat for granted. It is particularly troubling in a place like Edo, that is in a rainforest. Benin City is in a rainforest. And with what we're doing to our land, to our habitats, you can see what we're going through in terms of erosion. You're seeing what we're going through in terms of landslides. If we don't do something urgent, very, very soon, this place will be difficult for us to live in. If we continue to deforest at the rate we're going, this place, which is supposed to be a rainforest, will now look like savannah. If we do not clean and green our environment and restore the environment to how God has created it in the first place for us, we and our children and forebears and our, and the people who will succeed us on earth will suffer very dearly for it. So what we're doing is just not a joke, it's not just fun fair. I think it's one of the most serious issues that we are facing today as a people. We've taken the environment for granted for too long, and today we are losing it fast. If you look at Google Map and just see how, Edo looks, particularly Benin City, whereas it's supposed to be green, when you look at it today, it's all like brown, as if we're somewhere in the deep north, near the savannah. So this is serious, it is worrisome. And for us as a government, we need support. We will continue to lead the charge, but we need our communities. We need you professionals in the built environment. We need all of you, teachers, professionals, government workers, to help us raise the alarm that we cannot continue this way. See what has happened this last rainy season. See how extended the rains have come, this day. If we continue like this, that means that we only have like 3 or 4 months of construction time in a year. So this thing is closing in on us, and our responsibility is to fight back. Fight back by doing the right things. Every child, every year, must plant 1 tree to commemorate their birthdays. So if we have 1 million children under the age of 10, 12 in this state, that means we can boast of 1 million trees a year in Edo State, and that is a lot. So I want to congratulate you for successfully covering this work, and to let you know that we are very concerned. That is why we're working on our 30-year urban and regional master plans. We are going to legislate these plans into law so that even beyond this administration, there's a roadmap. People know what they must do, and it becomes unlawful if they don't do what they are supposed to do about protecting the environment and the habitat.
Edo State Commissioner for Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development, Isoke Omo, for her talk with our Tori person, Pelumi Mukoro, chook mouth for the importance of World Habitat Day and the waka we dem do today.
The matter what we did today na World Habitat Day. Today na day where everybody supposed to pause, make them stop, look where they stay, look their environment, look their habitat, how they see am. Whether they appear as be, the truth be say, if we not do something, it go eventually catch up with us. Even this year, we see as water, rain, come serious. Even this October rain still dey fall. So it tell us say things don't change. So if we not do the right thing, now all of us go suffer. This will not be government work. Now government and people work. Everybody now get this work. You understand? So if you pack your dirty, where you dey throw and put? If the front of your house not clean, you deliver for government. Now your work to clean am. Now you work to plant tree. Now you work to make your environment clean. If you see somebody do something bad, you go make you talk. Now your work. If you see something, shine your eye. Tell us. We too as government go come do our part. People they be for road. They be for moat. They be for under high tension. They be for flood plain. They be for all kinds of places. They cause yamayama. They enter schools. They be inside school. They enter health center. They be inside health center. So that way government can you not even get anywhere where they fit do the service. I beg you now. The work now for all of us. If we want to make Edo great again, we need to stop to think and say, make we change. If we change, government no go fit do anyhow. Because now we go make the demand for government. Now we could do these 2 master plans. Edo, Benin City Master Plan, Edo's Regional Development Plan. To make una see say, now so we suppose do in the next 30 years. As we like Obodo Ibo, they don't talk say we good for here, we won't bring and come back. If our forefathers feed down, what did they worry us? Where we not feed down. So now be the waka today. So the message to the people, say if you see something, say something. Do your part. Clean your house. Pack your dirty, not throw them for road. When you pack them, our people will come carry them. Then they carry them, call us, complain. You understand? Plant tree, clean your area. Don't let person blame. Before rain, they're not supposed to be. If you see, talk. If you see, talk.
Other people will join body for the waka come talk say
Today, as you can see, everybody in the Ministry of Infrastructure, have come out to tell the world, to tell the Edo indigenes, say cleanliness is next to godliness, that they should be able to clean their environment when they wake up in the morning. Make dem dey sweep their compound, and when dem sweep am, make dem no dey carry the dirty put for gutter, because when dem put the dirty for gutter, the dirty go come block when rain fall, and that same dirty go carry that same rain go carry the dirty back to their various houses. So, and this thing wetin e dey cause? Me dey talk am, witch no dey kill again o, because Holy Ghost fire, the fire of God don dey kill them. Wetin dey kill now na dirty, disease like typhoid fever, Lassa fever, cholera, hepatitis, name it. These are things, mosquito that will cause malaria, that will suck your blood and you become anemic. All these things are not good in our health. So the Benin when we know before, the Edo State when we know before, when governor say Edo must clean, Edo must work out, and it must finish well. Come tell us, say, make every household, make we know how to clean our environment. Say when we clean our environment, we go live long, we no go sick, we no spend the money when we dey get for hospital. Everybody know as things be now. Hospital money e don too there, food don too there, but when your environment you come clean am and you dey eat well, even the food when you dey cook, you dey enter your body, you go live long, you go well. And because of that, that is why this ministry came out today. The commissioner, Honorable Mrs. Isoke-Omo, every year since she came into power, she made sure that she go around Edo to do this advocacy, to tell the people of Edo, say e good make you clean your environment.
Today we celebrate World Habitat Day. So we go around the town, we talk to people on how to keep our environment clean, how to make everywhere conducive for us to live. Because if we throw away dirty for ground, the place no go fine for us. And also we also educate them on where to build. Not just they build for everywhere, go build for waterway, for where water they pass. So we educate them.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, A. Carter Ojisoli, TMC TV News.